Hello, friends of Ludus. I'm Sergio Bravo, and I welcome you to this Ludus Tech, where I'll show you how to stream the images you see in your virtual reality headset to other devices, without using any cables. What? Sounds good, right? Well, I'll tell you all about it in just a moment. Ludus can be used wirelessly in two ways: PCVR, which lets us access the full catalog of simulations, and standalone, which gives us access to part of the catalog. The first method involves connecting both the simulation computer and a virtual reality headset to the same Wi-Fi network, making sure it's powerful enough for smooth image streaming. The other way is through the standalone platform, which we can install directly on the VR headset itself, allowing us to do without the computer to access part of the simulation catalog. The question that might come up at this point is, how can we let other people see what's happening inside the headset? The answer for PCVR is the same as always. Since we're transmitting the images to a computer, we can connect the computer via an HDMI or VGA cable, or use a wireless transmitter to a screen or projector so that the rest of the students in the classroom can learn while the person wearing the headset performs the exercise. To do this, we'll connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, open the connection program like business streaming, select the Wi-Fi connection mode, and with the headset on, we'll look for the same program by opening the menu in the library section to connect it. It's important to note that a 5 GHz Wi-Fi router is required. If you're using the standalone platform, you can stream the images to a device like a smart TV, a tablet, a computer, or a mobile phone by downloading an app on that device. To do this, connect both the headset and the chosen device to the same Wi-Fi network. You'll need to download the Miracast or Cast for Pico app on the device. With the headset on, open the menu and in Quick Settings look for the casting option, then connect to the device that matches the app name shown. You can also stream through a web browser by entering the web address provided on the corresponding screen. For the web browser option, you would follow the same procedure, but select the option to connect to a browser. We'll type the web address into the internet browser and select Start Casting. As an extra tip, you can save that address as a favorite, and if you create a shortcut and edit it so that the address appears instead of the number it gives you, you'll be able to access the stream much faster and more easily. How was that? Did you find this content interesting? If you want to expand your knowledge, visit our blog, where we cover topics related to education, safety, health, technology, and more. And to stay up to date with all the latest news, check out our news page and follow us on social media. We've left the links below. Best regards, and see you next time.